Friday, Wilson County Public Library teenagers. It's me again. So, who else were you expecting, really? I mean, when you clicked on this video, who else were you expecting to pop up, other than yours truly? Welcome to another episode of TGIF, Wilson County Public Library's weekly book talk, where we look at the best in YA literature. I am your host, Kate Britton. I'm the teen librarian here at the Wilson County Public Library. If you have not tuned into this before, welcome. We're glad that you are here watching. If you are a return viewer, welcome back. We're glad that you are here once again. It's pretty much fall now. Not meteorological fall, but it's still kind of fall. And in the fall, we like to look at kind of thriller stories and things like that. So I decided this week that we were going to look at a new book that came out in June that we just received in the library that I think you might like. This book is called Killed Zoe Spanos by Kit Frick. This is a thriller book. It's actually based off of Rebecca by Daphne du Maurier, which is a personal favorite of mine. And so this one came out this past summer. It was called the best YA thriller of the summer, and it was named like best book of the summer 2020 by like People magazine and Parade magazine and things like that. And so this book has just come out. It's brand new, and it's already getting a lot of attention and a lot of buzz. But basically what has happened is this main character, Anna, has gone to this small town in the Hamptons for the summer to be a nanny. And she's excited to be there, and she's looking for something kind of a fresh start. And what she finds out is that this girl named Zoe Spanos has been missing. And she also looks kind of eerily like Zoe. And her just being there stirs up a lot of feelings about this kind of unsolved mystery there in the Hamptons. And as she kind of starts to learn more about this mystery of what happened to Zoe Spanos, because still no one knows, she kind of becomes convinced that there's this connection between she and Zoe, and she thinks she might know what has happened to her. And about 2 months later, they find Zoe's body in a nearby lake, and Anna is charged with manslaughter. And you find out that there are a lot of did Anna really kill Zoe? Because Anna is our narrator, but she's that typical unreliable narrator. So you hear everything from her point of view and what she knows or thinks she knows. And also there is a podcast by this girl named Martina Green, who is kind of also digging into this, and it's kind of what is dug up between the two of them as what happened. So like I said, this is based pretty strongly on Rebecca by Daphne du Maurier, and it's this real psychological thriller, and it's good with fall, with Halloween season coming up, something like that. And it's a really gripping, very suspenseful story that I think you might like. I think you might enjoy it. I hope you do, because we literally just got it in at the library, and it is begging for someone to come check it out. It's just sitting there on the shelf. It's just waiting for someone to come check it out, and that might be you. You might be that someone that book has waited for all these days to come check it out. Because like I said, we literally just got it, so it's been days. So anyway, I Killed Zoe Spanos by Kit Frick. Come check it out. Read it. If you have read this book so far this past summer, let me know what you thought about it. So comment in this video. If you read this and you like it, I would like to hear from you and what your thoughts are on this book, because you're just hearing my thoughts. And I would like to hear more from you. So if you have any opinions on this book, if you have any suggestions as to what books we should cover later in this show, I am open to suggestions. I am here, I am listening, and I'm ready to hear from you. So, anyway, I hope you have a lovely weekend coming up. It's supposed to be nice and cool, and hopefully, we'll get dried out from all this rain. But take care of yourselves and wash your hands and wear your masks. And we'll see you next time right here on TGIF. Bye, guys.